Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this trend video on TikTok called Mini Me. So if you want to create a mini version of yourself, let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store. So go ahead and download it. Now once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In your TikTok app, you're going ahead and searching for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as the template will appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my profile, which is right here. Tap on CapCut Mini Me AI. So this is the kind of video which you can create. You're going to post a video of yourself and then you'll create a mini me version of yourself. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut. Go ahead and tap on Use AI Template. Now you want to go ahead and post a picture of yourself. Then tap on Next. Now you want to let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it a few minutes. So as you can see, the AI effect has now been applied. As you can see, it has created a small mini version of yourself here on the left hand side. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and press back and you can go ahead and try it again. Let's go ahead and try this again. Let's give it one more try. And as you can see on the second try, it has now created a mini me version of this lady here. So now once you're happy, tap on Export here at the top right, tap on Save and Share to TikTok. Go ahead and post it to your TikTok account. Add your captions and your cover page. And then go ahead and post this to your TikTok app. For those of you who are trying to find this template, go ahead and visit Test the Simple Dad on TikTok. Go ahead and visit the profile page and you'll see it right here, Mini Me. Tap on this and then tap on CapCut Mini Me AI. And then go ahead and follow the instructions on this video. So there you go guys, that is how to create the Mini Me trend video on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.